welcome to our first chocolate pudding video. Alright, what do we need? We need one box of chocolate pudding, of course. As Bill Cosby would say, Jell-O brand. We need a measuring cup. This one's glass, but whatever you want to use. We need milk, at least 3 cups of milk. I use fat-free because, you know, anyways. And then I've got some bowls to put the pudding in when I'm done. And that's about it. Okay, first we're gonna open up the milk and we're gonna pour in 3 cups into the measuring cup. So look, I'm gonna try to find the little 3 cup mark, and that's how much I'm gonna put in. It ain't rocket science. Okay, now I'm going to pour the milk into the pot. And turn on the stove to medium heat. Open up the box of pudding. Chocolate. And take the bag of pudding mix out of the box. Gently tear open the bag of pudding mix. Okay, as you can see, I'm still trying to open up the bag. It isn't as easy as it looks. Okay, now pour the pudding mix into the pot with the milk. Okay, so now using the spoon, you want to blend the pudding mix and the milk. Look, it's getting nice and thick. And pretty soon it's boiling. And when it's boiling, that means it's done. So I poured the pudding into a measuring cup. Now using the measuring cup, I'm going to pour the pudding into the bowls I have out here. It's going to fill about 4 bowls, and it's really hot, so be careful. I don't want you guys burning yourselves with the pudding because, you know, it was just on the stove. But that's about it. It looks really good. I know I can't wait to have some. And it makes about 4 bowls when all is said and done. Now let it cool in the fridge. Hey guys, what does this sign mean? Are you thinking? Going up? The answer is elevator. Have you ever taken an elevator?